Hello everybody, I'm meteorologist Cassie Knoll, and for our Thursday forecast, well, changes are on the way. Today is the transition day from the warm and relatively dry weather that we had through most of the week to a very wet forecast for our Friday and eventually cooler temperatures arriving this weekend. So let's start with what's going on today. We've got a frontal boundary moving in from the north and the west, and ahead of that, we've got a very warm and muggy south to almost southwesterly wind direction. That's returning moisture to the atmosphere, and that's going to bring a few extra clouds to our skies, as well as about a 20% chance of a few isolated showers. Now, with the way the pattern is set up, those rain chances would favor our inland locations for the day today, and any showers that do develop will then be pushing off to the east. Highs should be able to reach the lower 80s right along the beaches, with middle and upper 80s forecast for our interior locations. Then as we go into tonight, that's when things really begin to change. We'll have a very mild, very muggy evening here around the Sun Coast, and then that front drops down into the area as we go into the day tomorrow. The best chance of seeing the rainfall, at least the heavier rain, is actually going to be during the afternoon and into the evening hours tomorrow. And if the dynamics in the atmosphere kind of come into play just right, we do have the potential to see a few stronger thunderstorms embedded in those showers that we could have moving through. So for Friday, the potential exists for not only heavy rain, but also lightning, and the biggest threat from those storms would be strong, gusty winds. So you'll need the umbrellas for Friday. And then behind that front, cooler air will be arriving as we move into the weekend, and we will be drying out as well. So here's what we see with your 7-day forecast. Again, scattered storms possible tomorrow, locally heavy rain, lightning, and very gusty winds possible. For Saturday, drier but cooler. Highs only in the upper 60s, and for the first time in almost 3 weeks, our lows will be back down into the 50s as we start off Sunday morning with very pleasant conditions as we start off next week. Stay tuned to SNN, your Suncoast News Network, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on the channels listed there on your screen, and have a good Thursday, everyone.